Welcome to AI Skill Buddy, a premier software training center where excellence meets innovation in software development and cloud certification courses. At AI Skill Buddy, we are committed to transforming aspiring tech enthusiasts into versatile software professionals who excel in any technological environment. Our philosophy is simple: nurture talent to thrive in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Our training approach is meticulously designed to cultivate your professional skills through a balanced integration of business acumen, technical expertise, analytical thinking, and a stringent emphasis on quality. This holistic methodology ensures that you are not just ready for today's challenges, but are equipped to tackle future innovations. Each of our programs features interactive classroom sessions paired with extensive hands-on practice. We believe in the power of practice. It's the cornerstone of perfection. Our sessions are structured to keep you engaged and motivated throughout your learning journey, ensuring you gain not only knowledge, but also the confidence to apply it. To further bridge the gap between learning and professional employment, we offer comprehensive support in your job search. Our placement assistance includes mock interviews to build your confidence and sharpen your interview skills, preparing you to make a strong impression. For those who are eager to push their boundaries, we provide internships that offer real-time project experience, propelling your learning curve and providing a glimpse into the practical aspects of the software industry. Join us at AI Skill Buddy and kickstart your career with a solid foundation and a clear pathway to success. Embark on this transformative journey and let us help you shine in the tech world. Come, be a star with us.